You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words and names from fashion, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, this is usually said as empire waist part, because the term refers to the historical period of the First French Empire. This is sometimes said the French way, empire waist, empire being French for empire, so empire waist, some say it as well, empire waist or empire waist. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.